anyone. And welcome again to the English Mentor channel, in which studying English is straightforward, warm, and fun. I'm Evelyn, and I'm so glad you're here with us these days.
Hello, Evelyn. Hello, every person. I'm excited because these days' topic is something each learner asks approximately. How to improve English talking capabilities. And certainly, I want this lesson too. My brain has English words. However, from time to time, my mouth says, nope.
You're not alone, Paul. This happens to thousands and thousands of newcomers. But don't worry, these days we're going to fix that together.
Yes, finally. I need to sound assured, not like a robotic who just woke up.
Perfect. But earlier than we start, don't neglect to subscribe. It clearly helps us create greater, friendly, useful training for you.
Okay, Evelyn, emotional drum roll. Are you ready for today's topic?
I'm geared up. Everyone, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and start this stunning adventure of speaking English with self-confidence. Speaking English isn't pretty much phrases. It's about courage. It's about expressing your heart, your memories, your dreams. But many newcomers freeze while it's time to speak. They feel shy or embarrassed or afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, sometimes I feel like I know the answer, but my tongue says, nope, not these days. And then the instant is gone.
Exactly. And that's why this topic matters. Because speaking English isn't about perfection. It's about connection.
Ooh, that sounded deep. Not perfection, but connection. I love it.
Good. And these days will give you real, practical, simple steps to speak better English with self-assurance and pleasure. Let me let you know a quick story. Last year, my college student, her name was Aisha, knew a lot of English. Vocabulary, grammar, reading, everything. But she never spoke. And each time I asked, would you like to try? She looked down and said, my English is not good. One day I asked her, who told you your English is not good? She thought for a second and said, no one. Her fear came from inside, not outside.
Wow, that's so relatable. Many newcomers speak to themselves in a very bad way. Like, my accent is horrible, or people will laugh, or I will make mistakes. But nobody genuinely said that to them.
Exactly. The biggest enemy of English speaking is not grammar. It's fear. Confidence is the muscle that controls your voice. The more you practice speaking, the stronger it becomes. 1. Practice talking alone. Yes, on your own. Read a sentence out loud, pause, repeat. Talk to yourself in whilst cooking or walking. 2. Use voice notes. Record a 10 to 20-second voice message in English every day. You don't have to show it to anybody. It's just for you. 3. Use low-stress conditions. Speak English in simple situations. Ordering tea, asking for directions, saying hi to someone. No big conversations, just micro moments. 4. Make errors on cause. Yes, on purpose. Say something wrong, correct yourself, laugh, and move on. It trains your mind to stay calm.
I love that. It looks like the goal isn't to speak perfectly. The intention is to speak bravely.
Exactly. Speak with courage, not perfection, because confidence is built, not born. Confidence equals believing you can do something even if you're not perfect. I speak English with confidence even when I make mistakes.
Okay, Evelyn, I have to confess something. When someone speaks English to me, my brain goes like this: English to Urdu to English to panic to silence.
That's absolutely normal. Your brain is doing more work. It's like using stairs when you can use an elevator. The secret to fluency is this: you have to reduce the gap between your brain and your mouth. If you think in your native language first, your brain gets tired. But when you start thinking in English, even in simple words, speaking becomes 10 times faster and easier. 1. Do English thinking moments. Choose one activity: brushing teeth, walking, cooking. During that activity, think only in English. 2. Use simple English thoughts. Instead of long sentences, start with small thoughts. I am cooking. I am tired. This tea smells good. 3. Label your surroundings. Look around your room. Say what you see in English: table, window, cup, phone. 4. Stop translating emotions. Instead of thinking, how do I say this in English? Try thinking, what is the best way to express it?
This seems like mastering to walk again, but in a fun manner.
Yes, and the extra you think in English, the greater natural talking turns into. One day, your mouth will communicate before your mind interprets, and that day will feel amazing. Fluent equals in a position to speak easily without stopping an excessive amount of time.
I am mastering to think in English so I can speak greater fluently.
Let me percentage any other story. There was a man named Daniel from Brazil. He desired to talk fluent English, but he handily practiced once per week on Sunday. He spent 3 hours practicing, but the rest of the week he stayed silent. After 6 months, he said, "Evelyn, I don't understand. Why am I not enhancing?"
I asked him one question. How regularly do infants exercise speaking?
He smiled because he already knew the answer. Every single day.
Exactly. Babies don't have a Sunday English magazine. They learn because they repeat, practice, try, fail, snigger, and keep going each day. Speaking is a physical talent, just like going to the gym, dancing, or getting to know piano. If you practice once a week, your speaking muscles stay weakened. But if you exercise 5 minutes each day, your development becomes huge. Daily speaking builds mouth memory, brain pace, self-confidence, comfort with errors, and natural waft. 1. 5-minute speaking habit. Set a timer. Speak out loud for 5 minutes about your day. No grammar stress. Just speak. 2. Daily English selfie video. Record a brief video of yourself speaking English. You never need to post it. But after 30 days, you'll see clear progress. 3. Shadowing practice. Choose a quick YouTube clip. Listen. Repeat exactly like the speaker. Copy the rhythm, tone, and pace. 4. Use micro-conversations. Say things like, "Good morning. Can you help me? How much is this?" These micro moments build real confidence. So basically, small practice every day is better than a big practice once a week.
Exactly. Consistency beats perfection. 5 minutes today is better than 0 minutes for 10 days. Consistency equals doing something often, again, and again. I improve my English by practicing 5 minutes every day.
I used to think speaking right English meant using big, complex phrases. So I tried to say something like, I would like to impress a conversation regarding the previous topic. And the person looked at me like I was an alien.
Yes, many beginners assume that speaking English means using fancy English, but real fluency is simple. Some of the satisfied speakers use short, clear sentences because speaking is for connection, not for showing off. Simple English allows you to speak faster, speak with confidence, keep away from mistakes, sound natural, and explain ideas clearly. Complicated English slows you down and increases fear. 1. Use short sentences. Instead of, I would appreciate your help with this matter, say, can you help me with this? 2. Use basic vocabulary. Instead of make use of, say use. Instead of assistance, say help. 3. Focus on clarity, not style. The goal is communication, not poetry. 4. Use simple connectors. And, but, because, and so.
This makes me relax. I don't need big words. I just need brave words.
Exactly. Speak clearly, speak cleanly, speak sincerely, and people will listen to you. Natural English equals English that sounds simple, real, and easy to understand. I try to use simple, natural English when I speak.
Imagine learning to swim, but you never touch water. That's what many learners do with English. They study grammar, vocabulary, rules, but their world is still in their native language. My student Hannah changed everything when she changed her environment. Her phone language became English. Her YouTube became English. Her music became English. Her social media became English. And slowly, her mind became English too. That's what I call English world mode. Fluency becomes easier when English becomes familiar. The more English you see and hear in your daily life, the faster your brain adapts. It's not about studying all day, it's about living with English. 1. Change your phone language to English. You will learn new words every single day. 2. Follow English creators on social media. Short videos help you learn naturally. 3. Listen to English while doing daily tasks. Cooking, cleaning, walking, prime speaking moments. 4. Make English your background sound. Podcasts, music, short videos. Even if you don't pay close attention, your brain learns.
It seems like bringing English into your global instead of looking ahead to it to return to you.
Exactly. When English becomes a part of your lifestyles, speaking feels herbal, not worrying. Environment equals the sector around you, what you notice, listen, and sense. I enhance faster when English is a part of my environment.
I once had a student named Omar. He studied by himself for years, but he never spoke with actual humans. He said, I'll communicate once my English is good. But that day never came. Then he joined a small speaking group. On his first day, he made mistakes, many mistakes. But he also laughed, learned, and related. After 1 month, he said, I finally feel like an English speaker.
Speaking on my own is good, but talking with people is magic. Real conversations educate you, real pace, real reactions, real feelings, real self-assurance, real verbal exchange. You don't need perfect English to speak with people. You just need the courage to start. Tip 1. Find a speaking partner. A friend, a classmate, or an online companion. Even 10 minutes enables. Tip 2. Join speaking communities. Language exchange groups, Discord servers, Facebook corporations, online clubs. Tip 3. Use simple conversations. Talk about your day, your interests, your desires, your feelings. Tip 4. Don't fear judgment. Most freshmen feel just like you. Everyone is studying together.
So the real key is don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking now.
Yes, Speak with people, learn from a rose, grow with each conversation. Conversation equals speaking with another man or woman to share thoughts. I try to have English conversations with others to improve my speaking.
Before we end, I want to say something from my heart. You already have the potential to speak English. You just need the courage to open your mouth. Every mistake is progress. Every moment of worry is a doorway to self-belief. Every small sentence is a victory.
And hey, your future self is waiting for you. The confident, fluent, courageous English speaker, they are already inside you.
So here's your challenge. Speak English for 5 minutes today. Doesn't matter what you say, just talk. You can do this. We believe in you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Yes, thank you for listening, gaining knowledge, and growing with us.
Tell us in the comments, what is one tip you will use today?
And don't forget, every small step in English builds big confidence in your life.
Stay courageous, stay consistent, stay kind to yourself.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Take care and keep talking English.